Hello friends, I'm Varun Vohra and welcome to my channel IT with Varun to master the fundamentals. Friends, as many of you have expressed interest in knowing the future plan and objective of my channel, so I just wanted to take some time to share it with you all. I'll start with a bit about myself. It's also mentioned in the About section of my channel profile. I'm a known expert and media contributor in the IT risk, security, audit and compliance domain. I've extensive industry experience in critical leadership roles across top Fortune 100 companies in the US. I have appearance in over 50 major media publications, including front page coverage in Education Times, which is a supplement of the Times of India, a renowned newspaper of India. I've also reviewed over 150 research papers as member of various editorial boards and review committees of reputed international journals and conferences. So that was a bit about myself. Now, I believe strongly in a simple thought that strong fundamentals are the foundation for success. And with that in mind, my channel is completely focused on breaking down complex concepts in the IT risk, security, compliance, and audit area. And friends, as you know, we have already started our journey with understanding this core foundation of IT general control framework, which consists of critical areas like logical access, change management, operations, and information security. Just to dive in a bit further, when we talk about these four areas in the ITGC categories, logical access includes areas like privilege access, terminations, new users, user recertification, and authentication. Operations include backups, recovery, incident and problem management. And then information security it's a vast area, includes a number of different areas like vulnerability and patch management, intrusion detection, security hardening, network security, and many more. Again, friends, by no means it is a complete list, but should be good enough to provide you all an overview of our journey. I will be covering all of these areas in each ITGC category in detail across all key layers, which is relevant from a risk, security, audit, and compliance perspective. And when we talk about these layers, as you have seen in my videos, we are talking about application, servers, and databases. And within servers, we cover the key instances like Windows, Unix, and Linux. And for databases, we'll be covering Oracle and SQL. And I've already done this for the privilege access and termination testing areas under the logical access ITGC category. From a regular cadence perspective, friends, my plan will be to upload at least one video every week. And as you go through my videos and try to understand these complex concepts, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out through the YouTube comment section as I make sure I go through each and every comment and respond. Once we have a good understanding of all different nuances of the ITGC framework, which is a core foundation of the risk world and the various underlying control areas, the next step will be to just amplify the knowledge we have and apply that risk, security, audit, and compliance lens on the emerging technologies and the emerging risks. Also, at the same time, we'll be looking at the bigger scheme of things because once we have the foundation, it's very easy to build upon it. And the bigger scheme of things will include how we scope, perform, manage our risk, security, compliance, and audit assessments. So, friends, please subscribe and join me in this journey. And if you have already done so, please refer it to others so that they can be a part of our journey as well. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to our journey together.